Guys, so I don't know if you know this about me, but whenever I see churros, the world needs to stop. And of course, I want to bring you in on the experience, so I pulled over and I'm coming to get me some churros. I'm getting, I think, the first batch because they're not ready for another 15 minutes, but it's totally worth the wait. Meanwhile, I could check out all the other stuff that they sell here. The ones I'm getting are the classic churros, which are the sugar, warm, delicious churros. It was a long wait, but here they are. Delicious, nice and warm churros.